Hey there! So, you want to write YouTube scripts but don't know where to start? Trust me, I've been there. Writing can feel super overwhelming, especially when you're staring at a blank page, wondering, what do I even say? But here's the good news, there's a tool that can help, ChatGPT. It's an AI that's like your personal writing assistant. And the best part? It's easy to use, even if you're just starting out. Today, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to write video scripts that are clear, engaging, and uniquely yours. I'm Hamu, and welcome to Hamus YouTube Learning Hub, where we make YouTube content creation simple and fun. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why ChatGPT is so helpful, especially if you're new to YouTube. Keycap 1: It saves you time. Instead of spending hours trying to figure out what to say, ChatGPT can give you a full script in just a few minutes. It's like having a co-writer who never takes a coffee break. Keycap 2: It sparks creativity. If you're feeling stuck, ChatGPT can come up with new ideas or even suggest angles you hadn't thought of. It's like having a brainstorming buddy who's always full of fresh ideas. Keycap 3: It gives you structure. Writing a script can feel all over the place, right? ChatGPT helps by giving you a clear structure, intro, main points, and a strong conclusion. It's a game changer. Let's say you're making a video about productivity tips. You can ask ChatGPT to outline your script, and boom, it's done. So much easier, right? Alright, here's how to use ChatGPT to write your script, step by step. Step 1: Create a clear prompt. Think of ChatGPT like a GPS, you've got to tell it exactly where you want to go. For example, write a 5-minute YouTube script about using AI to write scripts. Include an intro, 3 main points, and a conclusion. Be specific. The clearer your prompt, the better the script you'll get. Step 2: Refine the output. ChatGPT will give you a solid draft, but it's okay if it's not perfect. You can ask it to tweak things. For example, make the tone more casual or add an example about productivity hacks. Step 3: Add your personal touch. This is where the magic happens. Take the AI's draft and make it your own. Add a personal story, a funny moment, or even some quirky phrases you love to use. It's your channel, so let your personality shine. Pro tip: if you're stuck on how to start your video, just ask ChatGPT for help. Try something like, write 5 catchy hooks for a video about YouTube growth tips. You'll be amazed at what it comes up with. Now, let's take it up a notch. Here's how to make your AI-generated scripts even better. Keycap 1: Add your own examples. Swap out generic advice with your own experiences. For instance, instead of creators often struggle with consistency, you could say, last week, I filmed at 2 a.m. because I forgot my deadline, but hey, it got done. Keycap 2: Make it conversational. ChatGPT can sound a bit formal sometimes, so loosen it up. Use phrases like, here's the deal, or let's be real. Make it sound like you're chatting with a friend. Keycap 3: Ask for extra ideas. You can go back to ChatGPT and say, can you give me 3 examples for this point? It's like a brainstorming partner that never runs out of energy. And that's how you use ChatGPT to write awesome video scripts. It's simple, fast, and actually kind of fun once you get the hang of it. Plus, it saves you so much time you can spend filming or, catching up on Netflix. Now it's your turn. Give ChatGPT a try, and let it help you write your next script. Just remember, add your personality and make it your own. That's what makes your content special. If this video helped you out, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly YouTube tips. And hey, have you tried using ChatGPT? Let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.